COVID-19 continues to resurge across the country. The number of cases is rising right now in all 50 states, and that includes here in Florida. In fact, about 20% of all new COVID cases right now in the United States are from Florida. Here in Jacksonville, cases are doubling each week. UF Health, like many hospitals, is seeing younger and sicker patients.
Seeing overwhelming numbers, and this surge is a lot faster, and if I can use the word, a lot meaner than last time. Things are worse.
Now, the resurgence fueled by the Delta variant, which is about twice as contagious, experts say, as the original. And a nurse at UF Health says it feels like we're back to day one of this pandemic. On your side's Jocelyn Howard spoke with hospital officials today. She joins us from the newsroom tonight with how the spread is growing. Jocelyn?
Yeah, Heather, the nation's eyes are on Florida after the White House says the state accounts for 20% of all new COVID infections. UF Health Jacksonville says the First Coast is responsible for 15% of Florida's cases. Their hospitalizations have doubled in the last week.
We're seeing an explosion in cases. Unfortunately, a lot of these cases are starting to show up in the hospital.
Chad Nielsen, director of infection prevention at UF Health, attributes this to the Delta variant.
The Delta variant is about 60% more contagious.
Combine that with stagnating vaccination rates and no social distancing or masking orders throughout the state.
And you're just creating a perfect storm for new infections.
Nielsen says COVID hospitalizations have doubled in the last week at UF Health Jacksonville with 117 patients.
Which is just short of our high in the January surge.
Nurse Debbie De La Paz says seeing this surge is deja vu.
It's literally like going back to day one when everything started.
In her unit,
over like 1 week, we got from being like 4 or 5 patients now to 32.
The age of our COVID patients has shifted from the 60s into the 50s, and we certainly have a high proportion of those patients who are in their 20s and 30s.
Nielsen says that's because younger people have been more reluctant to getting vaccinated. 49% of people eligible for the vaccine in Duval County have been vaccinated. Nielsen says that's not nearly enough.
About 90% of our COVID admitted patients are unvaccinated. Which is very important to note because that means we have really a pandemic of the unvaccinated going on right now.
And you heard Nielsen say we are just short of January's surge of 125 hospitalizations. He says we are likely to surpass that number by the end of the day. I'm Jocelyn Howard, First Coast News on your side.
And precautions in place last year may need to change for the Delta variant. A dean at Brown University says people are getting infected with much less exposure.
Days we said, okay, 15 minutes, 6 feet, you really have to be very, very close to somebody for a long period of time. What we're learning with the Delta variant is that is not necessarily the case. There's so much more virus around. People who are infected have such high viral loads that even short periods of time, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, you don't even have to be within 6 feet for people who are unvaccinated.
And if you take a close look at your screen right now, you can see how COVID-19 has spread all over the country. In this time lapse, you're seeing how the virus has spread since June 21st. The blue right there, it shows an area with low transmission, and red means high transmission. You can see the virus spread in random areas throughout the country, but in recent weeks, the higher concentrations appear to be in the middle of the country and in the southeast, including Florida.